Come here, make me fuck you now. Your boom boom tight, me girl, you hold me.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Lion TV. Based on evidence, I think it is safe to say Vybz Kartel and Spice are the two best male and female duo in a dancehall. Me soon tell you why. And speaking of Spice, she and the Angel finally drop everything and decide say yo, unity of strength, and me I tell you the truth. Based on everything I see in a dancehall to this date, it is probably one of my favorite moments. CMR, we see him in the media again. And yo, it is not for anything good. So me have to ask that question quick and fast. Assault him salsa or him just don't play him cards them right? Ninja Man, he has been sentenced to life in prison in 2017. But in my opinion, Ninja Man himself signed him life sentence from Sting 2003. Kemar Highcon, by now everybody knows he has been arrested and charged with Grand Theft Auto. But what me find out say most people now do is give you the fine details and tell you exactly why him get arrested for and how everything I go. Me have all of that to speak about in this report. But before me go further in the details, me ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Please may I ask you to reach this far. So give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. Up first, everybody by now knows that Kemar Highcon has been arrested and charged in Florida for Grand Theft Auto. Now, what heap of people, including me, when me younger, usually play the game and not even know that there is actually a charge out there by the name of Grand Theft Auto. Now, to be charged with Grand Theft Auto it is very simple. You probably just rent a car and don't bring it back in time, and the owner report it missing, or you thief a car or somebody thief a car and you drive it or whatever the case may be. But it have to involve motor vehicle theft. It could even be a bus, it could even be a train, as still Grand Theft Auto. Now, from Kemar Highcon as being charged, then that shows say them have evidence for charge him. Them never say them arrest him, for Grand Theft Auto, Them say he has been arrested and charged. And we know how uncles and police then got to work. Once them charge you, simple, them have more than enough evidence to back up them claims. Say, yeah man, you do this. But what everybody now telling you is that he has been out on $500 bail. Now, when I see people get bail for them small money there, you know say yes, it can be a felony, but I don't know, big charge. $500 bail, simple thing. But what a lot of people don't know also is that this charge carry a sentence of up to 5 years in prison, or also a fine of $5,000. So if Kemar Highcon is convicted, then he must face up to 5 years. Or them just charge him $5,000. Either way, it is still a charge. Either way, it still going to affect him going forward, because now him have a police record in America, and that is really not a good look. Me hope say yo, them get to the depth of this thing and sort out what you sort out, and really and truly Kemar is an innocent man, because this and who want to see. Anyway, we not spend much time on that. We are move right along. So what do you a bag of things are going in the media with CMR and his wife Chrissy. At the first, me actually speak of this situation, because as me always tell you, most of the time nobody feel like say me no see what go on or me no hear what go on. Me just choose not to speak of it, because I know everything makes sense. But now we see it in the media again with CMR actually being caught cheating. In this case, are the females them really I say how them a expose him, and them a try put out things and a dash the man in the mud and them little thing there. I don't know what's their ulterior motive, if it is just to get back at CMR, or if it's a case where them want CMR and Chrissy to mash up. That me not really business. That me not gonna really talk about, because at the end of the day, them a wife and them a husband, and them have them kids together, and nobody no want to see no more youth a grow without them mother or without them father. So me nah go there, so I'm going like say me want to see the two of them mash up. But CMR, me really want to know how him get himself in a this. A man will say, yeah, you know, so them know the street and them know the ground. You have to be smarter than that. Whether you're married or not, you have a side chick and you a video yourself, make sure you video you and do things, yo, that are total madness. No video light, no camera phone, no nothing, no video around. So CMR have to take the blame 100% because I saw them girl last year. And you see the worst part of it, Chrissy is a very respected female and is a female where me look up to understand. Is a female where a lot of people look up to. You can see this is a hardworking, trying female and you don't want to have a wife like that and then make some little side chick, some other little girl I go and like say them have things over your wife. Yo, that not look good. Me always say, if a man a cheat, make sure say, if your wife or your girlfriend, your right out woman find out, all she have to say, yo, Jano, me have to go pull up my socks, you know, cause yo, me not like the girl this and the girl that. But I can't cheat with some girl and when your wife look and compare herself, she have to say, yo, really? And that you gone to? And this is not me bashing the female or disrespecting the female, cause that's what me say, CMR fi take full CMR, me I go say it again, if you take full responsibility because him shouldn't go there so. And even if him go there so, at least respect your wife, your baby mother enough if you don't make a next female video it so that them can have leverage on you and your baby mother. But viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below. We are move right along. So as I'm saying at the intro, King and Queen of Dancehall, Spice and Vybz Kartel, in my opinion, are the two best male and female duo when them forward and say, yo, collaboration. We see them do it already from way back when with Ramping Shop, which is actually Spice breakout track. At a song there, put Spice pan top and from that, she no drop back a floor. You understand what I say? It is also the only song where Vybz Kartel have wherever reached on the Billboard. And again, it was a collaboration between him and Dancehall Queen Spice. We see them team up on a few more tracks and we see one of them now named Conjugal Visit. That track now amasses more than 100 million stream on YouTube. Again, another massive hit. And based on my research, I think it is Spice third or probably fourth most streamed song on YouTube. So you know say, I know not normal. And we just happy if you know say the two artists them, the king and the queen of dancehall could have forward pan a track and make it something that big, knowing that Vybz Kartel himself, when that track was released, yo, the man they are jail. In fact, that song probably could have not been created if Vybz Kartel never they jail. You hear the name? Conjugal Visit. You can Google it and research the meaning and then you will understand why me say that. We not spend much time on that, but again as me say, it is really a good look and big up Royal Boss, the king of dancehall, and big up Spice, the queen of dancehall. Check out one little piece of the track.
Let's say you breathe, feel, cock up and shut up. Come force up the cocky up in a my stomach.
Speaking of Spice, over the weekend, she get one award, basically a type of key at the city award in I think America, something of that sort. I never really got in depth in it, but me did done see she get nominated and she actually win the award and all of them little thing there. We also see where she and dancehall artist, the Angel, them decide say, yo, them all put everything in the past, them all put everything aside and just unite. Both of them, we see them a try to unblock each other on Instagram and all them thing there. We also get a little piece of performance from the two artists performing the mega hit song. And yo, when me look at me see them a performing, me I look on here and me I say, yo, ego is a elba thing because that song was a huge anthem, especially for the ladies. And just because of the riff and the beef between the two artists, them remove it from YouTube, them stop perform the song and all of them things there. But this now actually bring back some life and some light to the song. And in my opinion, just as I said earlier in the intro, for me, one of the best moments in a dancehall, if you see two giant pan the female side decide say, yo, them are going to unite once more. Me just hope and pray say, this will continue and we not going to see the two of them are go at each other like how we see them do in the past. Big up on yourself, Spice. Big up on yourself, the Angel. We are move on. The last thing we are going to touch upon, It is no secret, said Ninja Man before he was finally convicted and sentenced to life in prison, he has been in and out of problem with the laws. This life sentence when him get in 2017 wasn't the first time he might get time in a prison. But it was the first time he might get a life sentence. Now, many people will look pan and wonder, say, yo, what really bring Ninja Man to where him they know? What really was the breaking point in the system where decide say, yeah, them are gonna make sure say them get Ninja Man because he's a criminal or he's not a criminal or whatever the case may be. Because enough time, we not gonna know where somebody start from, whether them are do good or them are do bad. But what we can really identify was the turning point in a them career, whether it is good again and whether it is bad. For example, Flipper Mafia, nobody no know say yeah him did a post drugs, nobody no know say yo him did a do this or him did a do that. But the turning point in everything was when Flipper Mafia a move on stage with all him suitcase of money and a dash it. A regular artist, especially like Flipper Mafia in a them time they can't afford to live like that. So right there, so more eyes are got tuned in, not just from the public, but even from the authorities. Vybz Kartel himself, nobody no know if him did a bad or when him did a bad or how him did a bad. But the moment him decide say, yo, you see that system there, me I go rip that system there in a two and decide to go against everything where them say, not just we, the audience, are going to pay keen attention, but also the authority. And when you can do the another wrong, and you can do the another good, and nobody no notice, But you see, the moment you do something for them start notice you, just know say them not gonna miss nothing. So when you're a criminal for 100 years and you stay upon a load, the moment you go up on an eye, they will find you with if I even a speeding ticket. Ninja Man turning point was thing 2003. Check this out. In that video, if you watch it keenly, you see Ninja Man turn over not just ammunition, not just a magazine, but also a machine in the hands of the then superintendent of police, Renito Adams, and stick a pin. Before that, Ninja Man was in and out of jail. So like said, this was his first offense. Even though them never look on it as an offense, everybody actually congratulate him and say, yo, them love what him do. One more illegal gun come off of the street, and them actually that encourage other people to follow in him footsteps and bring in the guns. Nothing no wrong with that. In my opinion, that was a good thing to do on Ninja Man behalf. But just as we mentioned earlier, this what him do, I gonna make sure say the system pay more keen attention to every single thing when Ninja Man do thereafter. And me feel like say that help the system to stay on point with every single twist, every single turn, every single walk, every single run, every single drive when Ninja Man do. And it is the real reason why him ending up the way him there. Am I saying Ninja Man innocent? No, because them find him guilty of something completely different. But the point I am trying to make, this act when Ninja Man make brought way more attention to Ninja Man. So when I just the little police round the lane, usually a pre-Ninja Man and I watch him a do, you have the big old superintendent Renito Adams start to look. You have the prime minister start to look. So you know say there are less room for errors. So the moment, in fact, them not even go wait till him slip for him slide. Them are gonna make sure say them push him down. So me feel like say that was the real turning point. That was the real signing of his life sentence were forward more than a decade after in 2017. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and you make it to the end of this video. So please again, me I go ask you, give this video a like. Bless up.